Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Netflix app. When you'll find this list of app info, we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can go to Play Store. Here you can go to search about Netflix. If you'll find in this blue sign update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.